Hi everybody, this is Roxy. Long time no see. I hope everybody's doing good. I just have some dies to share with you from a company called Kokorosa. They reached out to me to see if I could show some of their dies off. So I said okay. So I got some. These are pretty cool. Rosette kind of dies, or medallion, I guess. So they come in kind of stages. It's really cool. So you can build a really pretty medallion or use them separately. So I've got some that I didn't put together. So there's that one. I kind of glued them all together really, so I don't have a lot of the separate pieces. And that one's so pretty. That's that one. I'm missing that one. Am I? No, I'm not missing that one. So there those are. And then I just put them all together. And made some, almost like a spiral graph. But you can see all the colors coming through. Or there's just two. No, I got three. Yeah, the bottom yellow, then the blue, and then the print. Those are all of them. Nope, all but the bottom. But they really layer nicely. I don't have any that has a bottom. I think because it's better to it was better to leave the bottom off. Isn't that pretty? That one, it popped up the first three layers. So that's that die, or die set. Then I also made this card out of using those medallions, plus this little die set. It comes as one piece together. So I mean, if you left it like that, all you'd get is the outline, like this little outline. That's the blue. So I made a little shaker. And then all the letters pop out. So you get that. Plus, this one also does. Okay, so that one does the blue pattern paper. Or this piece. And then the outline of this not only cuts out the outline, but also the letters. And then, of course, that cuts all the letters. So it's kind of a fun little versatile die. On this, I put the blue on top for the top layer. And then I cut the outline. I cut out of 3 more pieces of 110-pound Nina Solar white paper to make kind of a chipboard or layered piece so I could have the little shaker stuff. So there's that. All the links will be down below too. I'll keep them so you can continue to look at them. Then I picked out this die, which is really, really pretty. It's just that. It can cut it out all 3 sides plus the flowers. But I folded my paper and set it just under the crease, or the cut line. So you get it front and back. And I did both cards. So I could cut this off so you can have a vertical, but I thought it's kind of pretty like a horizontal. And then just had some wishing you a happy birthday. stamped inside. So that's that die. Super pretty. That'd be pretty for a bag topper too. You know what I mean, Burn? All right, and then this one is kind of an argyle. So I made argyle. I just cut it out of 3 different colors and then just kind of moved them over so that you can see all 3 colors. And I think this is from Maggie Holmes, some chipboard pieces. Or not chipboard, they're just paper, and then I popped it up. So there's that. And then this one's kind of another kind of argile-y die, and I really like this one, how that turned out. So I did the same. I cut it out of the pattern paper and the pink, and then just moved them over so you can see some of the pink, and popped them up. And that is a Cardabella. I can't remember what. I think it's a man one. I can't remember what this is. And then that's from Maggie Holmes for my Scrubby's birthday. King for a day. Isn't that cute? So there's that one. This one is really cool. It's that. And then I also use this die from Paper Smooches, but that's what it cuts out. It's really pretty. And you could even use that kind of as a stencil to just put some color down. But I cut the thanks so much. I cut it out twice. No, 3 times. And then that's a real pain in the butt to get those letters out. But I really love this background. It's going to be fun. So there's that. And finally, I have this little die. Pull it out. That die. And these tag dies. So you get the scallop with stitching in 5 sizes, and then the inside outline in 5 sizes. So I made a cute little recipe tag book using some old October afternoon from my hoard vault. And then these are just flowers I've had. You know, I cut out a bunch when I make a project and then save them for other projects. And then this is just some really, really, really old die cuts that I can't even remember what they're called. And then I just added some vintage coupons and some vintage recipe cards and just a little label, some of the die cuts and enamel dots. So this would be kind of a fun little gift to give a friend, you know, with or without your recipes. These are felties from Sassafras Lass. Ooh, I hoarded them so long. And then this is vintage 70s ribbon. It's that kind of harder. They used it in florals back in the day. And another style of recipe cards and more coupons. And there's that. Isn't that cute? So there's all my projects. I'll have all the links down below and the discount code. So be sure you check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.